how to use the AI-infused intelligent recap for Teams Premium meetings. Here we are in our Teams meeting, and we're gonna show the new Teams Premium recap feature. I have got 4 incredible actors. They broke the Hollywood strike line. They are scabs. That's how committed they are to their craft. And they're gonna show a scene that exposes how exactly Teams Premium works with automatic recap. So I'm gonna be going off screen, and they're gonna take direction on their own. Okay, are you ready, folks? Here we go. And action.
Hey team, so excited to see you all today and very excited to kick this off.
Thanks, Adam. I just am a little bit worried, just to say it right off the bat, about the launch date. I don't think the next-gen TPS report is ready yet. I really think we should delay the launch by at least a month to give us more time to polish it up.
But George, we've been planning this launch for months. Delaying launch would only give Intech's top competitor time to catch up.
You know what? I would love to get Mike's point of view on this topic. We really need his perspective here as a member of our leadership team.
Now we're going to speed things up, and there's lots of discussion happening back and forth and different topics. I had missed that meeting, but we're going to see how I can use meeting recap to get caught up. And scene! Now the meeting has ended, and I'm signed in as Mike, and I want to go see what the meeting recap was. Right here on the left in my chat, I'm going to go look at that meeting. You're going to see this new option for Teams Premium, which is recap up at the top. I'll click this. What you see here is the recap of the entire meeting. On the right, you see things like content that was part of the meeting. You see AI notes, and we'll dig into that, mentions and transcript. There's the video itself, and then we've highlighted each of the speakers and when they're talking during the meeting. So first, what I'm gonna do is take a look at the AI notes. It's like Kauthar, Adam, Jess, and George, they discussed the launch date of the product, they need to delay it by a month, and some other details. I can open this up, and there's even more details. We'll collapse that. Also notice it has suggested tasks. Kauthar and the team will schedule a meeting with Mike. That's me. Fantastic. If I want to go to @mentions, it'll show when Mike was mentioned. Jess mentioned me right here, wants to get Mike's point of view. Hey, let's schedule another meeting with Mike. AI automatically detected that and put it in there. I can also go and jump around the meeting. So maybe I want to see what Kauthar was talking about here in the blue. I'll click there. And now I'll hit play.
We really need to launch while there's still relevance and anticipation.
Great, so I can understand what Kauthar is talking about. We'll jump to Adam. Hit play.
Well, I guess if we delay the launch, I can start working on updating.
Okay, he's talking about delaying the launch. It's really easy to jump across that timeline and see exactly what people were saying. The last thing I'll show is the transcript. If I click here, I can get the entire transcript right here. Everything that everyone was saying is labeled. I can download the entire transcript. And then if I'm going here and I'm watching part of the video, let's say I jump to Jess right here, I'll hit play.
It's important that we're all on the same page and that we're making informed decisions based on all the factors at play.
You can see on
Thanks,
the right,
George, for bringing up the budget concerns.
It's highlighting
sure we're keeping
the
an
parts
eye
of the video that Jess is talking about in that transcript so I can follow along exactly. If you want to keep up with all the latest Microsoft updates and tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get all the latest videos that I post.